Hey everybody, it's Guy Anywhere in Chat. It's a beautiful day out today. Thought we'd do something a little bit different. So, came over to Elwood City, check out the Chessie System Caboose. Just a nice day for a ride. Brought the 17 Harley out. Man, what a perfect day for it. Hope you enjoy the video.
Good coming. Which one? Illinois. How close?
Just saw a couple rail fans in New Galley and stopped to talk to them. They told me that the Illinois terminal is on its way through and that it's going to be here in a couple minutes and that the Reading is right behind it. So I made it over to the McKinley crossing. It's not real good lighting, definitely not what I would like to do, but given the circumstances, we're going to get what we can. I hope you enjoy it. Well, we made the right call on that one. I no sooner hit stop after I was done talking, and I heard it coming around the bend starting to pull the grade out of New Galley. So we got here and got set up with about a minute to spare. Now, let's see what we can do for the Reading.